Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you're scrolling down until you find this application of Microsoft Teams. And you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your